Welcome friends to my today's new video. 10 animals they are going to be extinct very soon. Then let us start with our today's new video. Today we are going to discussing the rarest endangered animals in the world. 10th, giant panda. China is the home of this giant panda species. Its wild population is fewer than 2500. Ninth one, tiger. It lives in Asia. The wild population is fewer than 4000. Whooping crane. It lives in North America. There are more than 3000 birds. Blue whale. It lives in all country oceans. The population is fewer than 25,000. Asian elephant. It lives in Asia. Its population is on about 40,000 to 50,000. 50% of Asian elephants lives in India. Sea otters. Its population is about 3,000. Snow leopard. It lives in cold places. The population is fewer than 6,500 snow leopards. Gorillas. It lives in Africa. The population is about 2,20,000. Tasmanian devil second. It lives in Australia. The population of Tasmanian devil is about 10,000. First one, orangutan. It lives in Borneo and Sumatra. The population of orangutan is fewer than 7,500. Thanks for watching friends. Please like and share and subscribe for my upcoming awesome videos. Thank you everyone. Bye.